welcome back to my channel. Today is exciting because number one, I finally got my Boxyluxe. Legit, the mailman just delivered it, and it is 20 something of March. 20, I don't know. It's late. BoxyCharm, get it together. Anyways, so today is going to be my ritual Ipsy Plus versus BoxyCharm, but this month it is versus Boxyluxe, which is kind of going to be an uneven battle of the boxes, but anyways, we're just going to do it anyways. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've already been using some of the products out of my Ipsy box because it got here like 2 weeks ago. And I couldn't help myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got in my Ipsy box first. So, when you open it up, I'm not going to show you what it looks like. That'll ruin some of the fun of showing you what I got. So I got this 5-piece set of Farrah eyeshadow brushes. They look really pretty. I have not been using those. The only product I've been using in here is this Pixie mascara. I guess I did pretty good. But I'm excited to try these brushes out. They all look really nice. And I love the silver handles. I think that's really cute. So I've been loving this mascara. You know what's so cool about this mascara? Is you get a lower lash mascara wand. Please hold. And then you insert, unscrew again, and you have a volumizing wand, which is like mind-blowing innovative. Like, this is so cool. Plus, I've been loving Pixie products lately. I was gifted some in PR, and I've been loving their eyeshadow palettes, and so I was so excited to be able to try out one of their mascaras, and it's a full size. So excited about that. And I've like worn it for like the past 2 weeks straight, and it has not like flaked off my lashes during the day, like the whole day I've been at work. It is like stayed put, and it is awesome for the lower lash line. That lower lash line wand is awesome. Moving on, I got this humongous thing it's by the Pure Elise brand, and I think it was a collab because it says Candy Johnson X Pure Elise on the front here, and the packaging is just super cute. And it's a Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. It says it smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. And I've been loving this stuff, y'all. It just looks like a normal body butter, but literally it like just smells so good, and it just gets you in that like springy summertime feeling, smelling like an orange dreamsicle. There went my box. So the last two products in the box this month, there was an option of this Huda Beauty palette. There was 3 different options. There was the smoky one, the this one, which was the Marvelous Mauves, and then I want to say there was like a neutral one or a bright colored one. One of the two. But I got the Marvelous Mauves one. It's so pretty. Really excited to try this out. I've heard amazing things about these little Huda Beauty palettes. I'm so stoked that we got a Huda product in our Ipsy box. Like, Ipsy is just like, Ipsy's in it to win it, y'all. And then we got a Benefit product in our Ipsy box. So cool. This is the Dandelion Shy Beam. Basically, this is a liquid highlighter. I wasn't too sure about this when I opened my box, since I've been using it. I wasn't too sure about this, but it's a matte highlighter, so basically it's not going to give you that, oh my gosh, look at that highlight look. It's going to give you that like illuminating, like highlight from within look, which I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. the little applicator makes it look like it's a nail polish bottle. So here's what it looks like, all like not like blended out. But it gives you that like highlighted, like pretty look if you want to do like a no makeup day, which I've always kind of wanted to try that out, and I'm going to. But here's what it looks like all swatched out. It's just kind of like more or less gives your skin a brighter look, and it keeps you from like looking so dull. So I'm actually very excited to try this product out because I've seen this at Ulta before and I've never picked it up because I was like, well, I don't really want to spend my money enough and I'm not going to like it. But being shipped to me in a subscription box, I'm not going to hate on it. So that was my Ipsy box for March. Let's go ahead and see what we got in our Boxyluxe for the month. So the theme for the Boxyluxe is Viva la Vie en Rose. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'm loving this aesthetic. Like, I'm loving this so much. So first up, we got this cute little train case, which I'm really excited about because if y'all didn't hear that Ipsy has quit putting the bag in the box, which I think is stupid because it's called Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Like, hello, you gonna change the name of the box now? Anyways, I am so excited to get this little rose. It's rose gold on the outside, and in the inside it says BoxyCharm. It has that beautiful pink lining. The first thing I see here is this Iconic London eyeshadow cushion. And I love the packaging on everything this month. It's all rose gold. And I got the shade medium. So I love how whenever you open it up, you get this cute little spoolie that like unfolds. So it's super compact, and you've got the little spoolie here on the this end, and then the little applicator there on that end. I think this is just the cutest little thing. So then you have the product over here. And then next up in the box, I see this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Really excited to try this out. I've been obsessing over skincare lately and loving like clay masks. And I actually don't own any peel off masks. I have a lot of sheet masks and some clay masks, but I do not have any peel off masks, and I never gotten to like experience that peel off feeling. So I'm gonna try this out tonight. Really excited about that. Then we also got this set of Lily lashes, which this is going straight in the giveaway container. Next up is this It Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream for all skin types. Here is what it looks like. I love that this is like, it's like in a like glass feeling tub. It smells so good. Like I love that scent. It smells really good. I am excited to put this in my skincare rotation. That is exciting. So next up, I see this Becca lipstick. No. It's a bullet lipstick. I got it in the shade Sorbet. I believe my mom got a red shade, which I think was just stupid. Like, can these subscription boxes please not send us any more red lipstick? We're over it. So I'm so glad I got this shade because I will actually wear this. It's like a really deep mauve. So pretty. Like, I feel like they should have went with the theme of the box. It's all rose gold and mauve. So why do you have to send out red lipsticks? I don't get it. So then we got this set of nail polishes by Deborah Littman. They are super cute. So here are the shades. One is called Modern Love, and then the one is called Odonna. So they're like really pretty mauve-y shades. I'm excited to try these out. Next we got this set of Moda brushes. One is a powder brush and the other one is more of like a highlighting brush. These also go with the theme of the month, that it's all like rose gold, and I'm really like excited for this brush here. It's like very long and very like flexible. I think this would be beautiful for highlighter. So excited for this. And this looks like a wonderful powder brush. Next up in the box, I got this Cover Effects palette. What shade? I got the light to medium. So here's what it looks like. So pretty. I am really excited to try out the finishing powder. I've been hearing really good things about the finishing powder and the brightener. And then we also got another palette in the box. I got the Morphe 15 in Night Master palette, which I think my mom got a different one. I don't think she got the Night Master. Or no, maybe she did. Here is what it looks like. It has got some very pretty like mauve-y and some neutral shades in it, so you could totally pull off like a neutral look, a more pinky look, a smoky eye look with this palette. Like, I'm really excited to try this out because overall, like, I know like BoxyCharm got more products than Ipsy, 10 products versus 5. But honestly, I feel like Ipsy, even though they just had 5 products in the box versus the BoxyCharm's 10 products, I feel like Ipsy really was like brought their A game this month for sure, was sending us like 3 name brand products. Like, but I do have to give it to BoxyCharm this month because of the extra product, or you know, the 10 products, and then we got like two palettes this month, and then like brushes, nail polish, and actual lipstick shade that I can actually wear that's not red. So yeah, and then we got a cute little train case that now I have everything in. So guys, please drop me a comment saying which box you feel like won this month. I love to hear your thoughts on what products, if you got any of these boxes, what products you are loving at the moment, since this video is like late to the game. But guys, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.